Walter, thank you very much for the invitation to your stand at EMO 2019. Now, many engineers will know Weiler is a very good quality lathe, but can you tell me what makes your lathe so special?
Sure. Welcome here at EMO 2019 at the Weiler booth. I think this is a great opportunity to show a worldwide variety of people, what makes us so different to other people in that area. We have some special elements, especially on this machine, which now also makes us very interesting for customers who are not only in small batch and single piece production, but also are in a completely 24/7 industrial environment. So specifically on this machine, it's a 4-way bed machine equipped with the Weiler SL2 control. It's a cycle control. At the moment, actually, we're celebrating here our 30th year anniversary, because Weiler has been that company who created the concept of a cycle control machine 30 years ago. And the first machine was presented here at EMO.
Now, I think it's very easy to say that, you know, the construction of a lathe, it's not necessarily complicated, but it's how you make it. And I want to know really, is a lot of your technology really comes from your customers and the demands that they actually want from a good quality lathe?
Definitely. All the ideas which we try to incorporate into our machines are ideas we picked up from our customers. So what you see here is actually the demand that customers has raised to us, and we tried to find the perfect solution. And some of the elements you see here, so on this machine in particular, we added a tailstock and a steady rest with its own drive, with its own clamping capability, fully programmable, and that makes it now also available for industrial production. It saves time and makes the whole thing more economical.
Look at this size. I mean, I presume it sort of takes you into other areas a little bit more further down the oil and gas market and power generation?
Absolutely. Of course, you mentioned oil and gas and power generation is one of our key markets. But in the meantime, especially this machine is in a lot of different areas. We have it in shipbuilding, we have customers, also in hydraulics. So it's a wide area which we now can focus with this kind of machine.
And when you're looking at customers that maybe don't know Weiler, what would be your message to them if they're in the market to buy a lathe?
Whenever you're focusing on small batch production, and sometimes with this machine also in larger volume, and when you're focusing on high quality, on tight tolerances, on excellent service, then Weiler definitely is one of the key suppliers in your area.